My shoes are wet, officially. That's not good. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Reggie T Plus back at it again. Right now, back in the Northeast and back on the hiking trails. It's early in the morning right now, and it's pretty pretty cold to say the least. But I'm out here solo hiking, and yeah, I'm just looking around as usual. I like to see what's coming before it comes. So yeah, guys, welcome back on my Move It channel, back from Africa. Unfortunately, hopefully I'll be back there soon, but I'm out here continuing the always moving, keep it moving, hashtag moving campaign. So, what's been going on in the world? There's a war happening. Russia, Ukraine, and a bunch of other places. In Africa, it's beautiful, it's peaceful. Hardships are everywhere, but people have to keep moving. They have to keep going with life, regardless. I wonder if that's a highway back there. It's super noisy to me. Hopefully it's not as noisy on this video. But yeah, I'm doing this 3.5 mile hike up, and then check out some views when I get to the top, and I'll bring you guys with me as usual. Let's go. A lot of rambling, but I'm trying to pump myself up for this hike, because I'm going pretty briskly, to say the least, because it's supposed to rain in about an hour and a half, and I don't want to be trapped or stuck on the trail having to walk in the rain. So I'm trying to do this hike pretty briskly, and then see if I can make it back down before it starts to rain. So, as I said before, let's go. So the last time I came out this area, I saw this building up there, and I told myself, whenever I come back here, I'm gonna go up there and see if I can go inside and check it out. So let's go. You can see it's been raining, water coming down from somewhere. But we're gonna go up here and see what's really good. Let's go up there. It looks like some sort of, I don't know, like aqueduct, like something that stores water, maybe? I don't know. Well, let's find out. What do you think? Should I go up there? Let's see. Pretty disgusting. pretty intriguing as well. So yeah, nothing really up here. It sounds like below might be the highway because I hear the car sounds pretty loudly. But yeah, pretty, and there's nothing much here, nothing here to see, but a long way down. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing. Nothing of great interest. Alright, I'm just gonna head back down and continue on my hiking trail. Bring you with me if I see anything interesting. But let's go. So, just checking out interesting spots. Unfortunately, the vandalist people do all this kind of stuff. I really hate seeing it. But anyway, I found a spot that I could sort of wash my hands. So, little hiking trick. So, moss filters water, right? So, notice I saw some dripping down here. So I decided to come back and wash my hands from touching that rusted stairwell on the way to the top of this structure here. But yeah, this is a tidbit. Moss filters water. Oh, so I hear. Don't go out there and follow me. You might end up hurt. Disclaimer. Alright, let me show you where I'm going back down. Go back on the trail. Even though I'm pretty sure I could probably pick the trail back up here instead of going back down and then going up. Let's see. Alright, so this is off the beaten path completely. There's no clear paths here, but I see a structure up there that I've seen before from the usual side of the hiking trail. So my attempt is to see if I can somehow go this way and reconnect with the actual trail. I'm hoping I'm not wasting my time completely, because that would be unfortunate. Waste of energy, waste of time. Like I said, I don't recommend going off the path when you're hiking. So what I'm looking for is another road that I can follow out of here. That's like a power station, I think. So I'm just trying to find, oh, I think I see a road. I'm just gonna keep going eastward. See a road over there. As you cut through the branch here. Rain's coming. Oh man. I wish I made it to the top already. Sounds like my hike might be railroaded by the rain. So yeah, I made it back on the road. This is actually a bit far from the actual hiking trail, but I think I've ridden my bicycle down here before, so at least I have a somewhat of a reference point. Make sure if I checking for ticks. Oh, I see something here. Have to kill that. Yep, so I'm just doing my insect checks. Make sure I didn't come out of the bushes with anything harmful before I get going. Just saw something, could have been a mosquito, who knows? But now it is no more. Of course, hiking stick, collecting all the leaves from the path, the uncharted path that I just took. But I feel like the rain won't start in a heavy way anytime soon. So I think I'm gonna continue and see if I can make it to what I call the lookout spot. But yeah, I'm way off the hiking area, but I have a general idea of where I am. So I'm gonna pick up the pace and see what happens. In any event, I brought this little extra shirt here, so I can at least throw that over my head if it really starts to pour by the time I get to the lookout point. All right, so that's where I'm actually heading. You can see it down there. Down and up again before I can actually get back to the actual hiking area. But yeah, all right guys, I'm gonna start moving pretty briskly, so see you in a minute. Yeah, it's raining, guys. Drizzling now. Suspect it will get heavier anytime soon. So anyway, found the bike trail, and over there is the hiking trail. So we made it back to somewhere that I'm familiar with. So I'm gonna head over onto the hiking trail and check out the view. And I might push it a little bit more further down, because I really don't think it's gonna rain as much just yet. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Well, that's what I'm hoping for, yeah. That it won't rain, or start pouring down, I should say, anytime soon.
1 mile, pace 25 minutes, 29 seconds.
All right, so you heard that. Hiked 1 mile, 25 minutes. Oh boy, there's a lot of mosquitoes up here. Anyway, let me just show you guys real quick before I get out of here, because I don't like mosquitoes. That's the view. Beautiful, right? All right. So yeah, what's that quote? I'm on top of the world. All right. So I'm gonna continue that way a little bit more, at least until I decide that I'm probably pushing it too much. I need to turn back. So let's go. It's funny, I think the rain really brought out these mosquitoes here. Now my glasses is getting foggy because I'm breathing. I'm covering my nose. Check out this view. This view I'm about to show you is drop dead. Yep, that's what you call, if you slip, you slide, and ain't no coming back. It will be a wrap. I'm staying all the way back here because I'm sensible. But yeah. Eyewear is so important, right, when hiking, because the last time I saw these flying mosquitoes, flies, rain flies, whatever you're gonna call it, one flew in my eye and it gave me a hard time. I put a link to that video when I thought I went blind hiking. So it's always good to keep your eyewear on because you never know, debris, sticks, wind, dust, dirt, whatever could pop out at any point and stick you in your eye. So it's so important. Whether it's shaded glasses or clear frames, whatever it is, wear glasses when you're outdoors doing stuff. Trust me, I know. All right, guys, so I think I've walked as far as I'm gonna go today, and I'm gonna turn back and head around, back down, out of here. Yeah, it's because the rain issue, and like I really don't want to be caught up here in any sort of heavy rain. So yeah, and it's still trickling down. I've only walked like 2 miles up, so 2 miles back down, 4 miles. Sad, but it is what it is. Look at the skies, pretty dark. Not that you can tell living in the Northeast, but yeah, rain's coming down, and I'm heading out if I can. I'm actually gonna try to jog a little bit. Oh, can you hear it? That's the sound of the rain falling on leaves, dead leaves. But yeah, the view is much nicer on a sunny day. Right now it's like bleak, wet, and not so cold. Maybe because my body is all heated up, but it is not warm. But yeah, heading back out on to another adventure. Might just make this the outro of the video. Guys, thank you for, as usual, for clicking on my videos, all 3 of you. Greatly appreciate the view. I do this kind of stuff to, keep my channel alive, but also encourage people to keep moving. Just came back, like I said, top of the video, from Africa. Spent my birthday there. I'm now 39 years old. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in, but we should all be proud of our age. So anyway, it seems like this rain is a serious one, so I'm getting out of here, guys. I'm gonna make a run for it. Not that I can run 2 miles to safety, but running will get me a little bit closer. Thanks for watching Ready T Plus. I'm out. Peace. Hey guys, so I could not resist. So I came down, went to the lookout point on the other side of the mountain, came down, wasn't satisfied with my calorie count. I know it was raining, but it stopped raining for a moment. So I decided to come on this side of the mountaintop where the more scenic view is. So now I feel like I did something today. And now I feel like I'm accomplished. Now I feel like I did my calorie count sufficiently for the day. And now look at the sky. It's about to burst. So now I gotta rush back down again to the bottom of the mountain so I can get the hell out of here. Thank you for watching Rated T Plus. Remember, keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Peace. So the rain caught up with me. So now I'm trying to find the shortest route down the mountain. Not sure if you heard me, but the rain caught up with me. It's raining cats and dogs, but no deer. That's okay. So I'm having to walk completely uncharted areas in order to find the quickest route off this mountain here. Now, my shoes are wet, officially. That's not good. But I had the option to stick and try to wait it out, but I have no idea when it's gonna stop, so I didn't want to wait it out. So I'm trying to race against being completely drenched in order to get down off this mountain here. My first time actually getting caught by the rain up here. Tell you what, it's not fun. If I brought the appropriate gear, I would have been fine, but I didn't. So what I have on, my usual sort of jogging and minimal hiking gear, my shorts, and yeah. But anyway, I continue. I think I'm gonna try to go down there. Hopefully, I can find a faster route off the mountain, safely, of course. Oh man. Woo! Let's go. So I'm in this area known as Judge's Cave. On my way down, decided to just stop for a second and check the weather just to see if in fact I can wait it out or not. So I'm getting shelter from this this part of this cave here. Let me show you a little bit of it. So I believe back in the 18th century, explorers used to use this area for shelter as well. So yeah, I'm just hanging out for a little bit, see if the rain will ease, and then continue my descent down off this mountain here. Woo! My shoes are drenched. Oh boy, what did I get myself into? back in the day as a kid in Jamaica, whenever it would rain and the sun came out, we have an old sort of folklore that said the devil and his wife are fighting. I just saw the sun come out in the midst of this downpour and started to reminisce. And I have not played in the rain for maybe 2 decades. But came through a shortcut. Still not out of the woods yet, but I cut out a lot of the usual path, basically. So I'm not sure. I don't think there's any other shortcuts, unfortunately. So it's just a straight downhill on the asphalt from here. Still raining though. At least I think it's sort of eased up a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna make it happen either way. Woo, 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 woo. So I made it down off the mountain, back to civilization, back to reality. And guess what? Check out my calorie count and how much miles I went.